In this video, we will solve a problem on government spending multiplier. This question was asked by a person, Melissa, on YouTube. The question goes like this. In an economy, we are being given the consumption function C is equal to 100 plus 0.75 y minus t. C is the consumption, y is the income, and t is the tax. Our investment is autonomous, which is 100. Government expenditure is 100 and tax is also 100, which is lump sum. Here we have to find out the equilibrium level of output, the value of government multiplier, okay, government expenditure multiplier rather. We have to also find out how much should government spending increase to bring equilibrium level of output to 1100. Okay, so first thing is first, let us calculate the equilibrium level of income. Okay, so we know equilibrium level of income should be equal to, our output should be equal to, that is consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government expenditure. Okay, and that means our consumption function is being given us as 100 plus 0.75, which is our MPC, marginal propensity to consume, y minus t is being given us as 100. Okay, plus investment is autonomous, which is also 100, and government expenditure, which is also 100. Okay, I have just plugged the value of consumption, investment, and government expenditure in our this GDP identity. So I can write it like this: y is equal to 100 plus 0.75 0.75 y minus 0.75 of 100 is simply 75, plus this is 200. Okay, so this comes out to be 200 plus 100 is 300. So our y is equal to 300. Let me subtract it here also. So 300 minus 75 comes out to be 225 plus 0.75. Okay, I need to solve it for y, that is our equilibrium level of output. So y minus 0.75, y is equal to 225. When subtracting, we will get 0.25, y is equal to 225, which gives us 0.25 can be written as 25 upon 100. Okay, so this can be written as 25 upon 100 is equal to 225, which gives us equilibrium level of income as, we have 225 into, when I transpose this 25 upon 100, it will become 100 upon 25. Okay, so this is 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100, so we will get y is equal to 225 into 4. Okay, so this gives us equilibrium level of income as 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 4 2s are 8, so 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 4 2s are 8, which is 900. So our equilibrium level of income came out to be 900. Second part was, what is the value of government expenditure multiplier? Okay, so a government expenditure multiplier is being simply given by, let me write it like this, m subscript g, which is government expenditure multiplier, which is equal to change in income upon change in government expenditure, which is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Okay, so this is 1 upon 1 minus, our MPC is 0.75. Okay, 0.75, which is 1 upon 0.25, which comes out to be 4. That means our multiplier is 4. Government expenditure multiplier is 4. Now we are being told how much should government spending increase to bring equilibrium level of output to 1100. Okay, so what we got, the equilibrium level of income, we got equilibrium level of income is 900. Okay, we want to change it to 1100. Okay, so we want this to change to, let us denote it by y bar, y dash is equal to 1100. Okay, now how much do we want to increase our output? Simply del y denotes how much output do we want to increase, which will be equal to what we want, which is y dash, minus what we earlier got, which is y. So this is 1100 minus 900. Okay, so now that, so we want our output to increase by 200. Okay, then we need to find out how much government expenditure will increase to get the new equilibrium level of output, which is 1100. So our del y, we want to change our income to 200, and we want to see how much government expenditure is required to get this increase in equilibrium level of income. Simple thing, we want to find out del y upon del g, and which is equal to 4. Okay, I am using this government expenditure multiplier here. Okay, so which implies, so del y, we want to change our income by 200 upon, we need to find out how much government expenditure is required to make this change of 200, which is equal to 4. Okay, I am just using the multiplier here, so transposing this del g here, so del g is equal to, or 4 times del g is equal to 200, which gives us a change in government expenditure will be equal to 200 upon 4, which comes out to be 4 5s are 20. That means our government expenditure should increase by 50 to get an additional 200 increase in our equilibrium level of output. Okay, so this is how do we find out our equilibrium level of output. Initially was 900. Okay, we were told how much government spending should increase to bring equilibrium output to 1100. Okay, so simple, I need to find out how much increase in output do we require. Simple thing, we got initial output as equilibrium level of output is 900, and we want it to go to 1100. The difference between these two is del y, that means change in output, and we want to bring this change by the government expenditure. Okay, how much government expenditure is required to bring a 200 increase in the output? So del y upon del g, I am using the government spending multiplier formula here. Okay, so del y upon del g is equal to 4, which we got here, and correspondingly we got del g is equal to 50. That means we need 50, you can say $50 billion of government expenditure to increase our output level, rather to increase the equilibrium level by $200 billion. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you. For more videos on mathematical economics, please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share also. Thank you.